Hi everyone, welcome back to Car Experience, your go-to channel for all things automotive. Today we're diving into the stunning 2025 Honda NSX, a car that combines cutting-edge technology, breathtaking performance, and timeless design. If you're a fan of high-performance hybrids, this one is for you. So, let's get started. First things first, let's talk design. The 2025 NSX is a true masterpiece. Honda has retained its iconic low-slung stance and aerodynamic silhouette, but added a few modern twists. The aggressive front fascia is enhanced with slimmer LED headlights and larger air intakes, giving it a sharper and more dynamic appearance. Around the back, the taillights stretch across the width of the car, creating a futuristic vibe that screams performance. And those 20-inch alloy wheels? Absolutely gorgeous. Every angle of the NSX is designed to turn heads and dominate the streets. Under the hood, or rather, under the skin, is where the magic happens. The 2025 NSX features a twin-turbocharged 3.5-liter V6 engine paired with 3 electric motors, delivering a combined output of 650 horsepower. Yes, you heard that right, minus 650 horses. This advanced hybrid setup not only provides blistering acceleration but also ensures excellent handling, thanks to Honda's super handling all-wheel drive system. It's capable of going from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.9 seconds, making it a true supercar. Honda has also refined the NSX's driving dynamics. With multiple drive modes, you can switch between quiet mode for smooth, silent electric cruising and track mode, where all systems unleash their full potential. The chassis is lighter and more rigid, offering even sharper cornering and stability at high speeds. Whether you're on the track or carving through mountain roads, the NSX delivers an exhilarating experience every time. Inside, the NSX combines luxury and performance. The cabin is driver-focused, with a digital instrument cluster that displays all the vital stats you need. The materials are top-notch, featuring Alcantara, carbon fiber, and leather throughout. The seats are both supportive and comfortable, perfect for long drives or high-speed cornering. Honda has also upgraded the infotainment system with a larger touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium audio system that ensures you're always connected and entertained. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. The 2025 NSX comes equipped with Honda Sensing, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, forward collision warning, and more. It's nice to know that even in a high-performance car like this, safety is still a priority. Now let's talk about the price. The 2025 Honda NSX starts at around $170,000. Yes, it's a hefty price tag, but considering the level of engineering, performance, and exclusivity, it's a serious contender in the supercar world. Plus, Honda offers various customization options, allowing you to tailor the NSX to your taste, whether it's unique paint finishes, upgraded interiors, or carbon fiber add-ons. For those of you wondering about its practicality, the NSX might surprise you. While it's undoubtedly a performance machine, it also offers a decent amount of cargo space for a supercar, making it usable for weekend getaways. Fuel efficiency is another highlight, thanks to its hybrid powertrain. It delivers around 21 miles per gallon combined, which is quite impressive for a car in this segment. So, who is the 2025 Honda NSX for? If you're someone who loves the thrill of driving, appreciates cutting-edge technology, and wants a car that stands out in any crowd, the NSX is a fantastic choice. It bridges the gap between traditional high-performance supercars and the new era of hybrid innovation. To wrap things up, the 2025 Honda NSX is a masterpiece of engineering, blending power, precision, and style in one incredible package. It's a car that honors its legacy while embracing the future. If you're in the market for a hybrid supercar, the NSX should definitely be on your list. Thanks for tuning in to Car Experience. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews, comparisons, and everything car-related. Let me know in the comments what you think about the 2025 Honda NSX. Would you pick it over its competitors? I'll see you in the next video. Drive safe and stay passionate about cars.